Homes, and welcome to 3510 West 3rd Street in Washougal, Washington. This home is 2,815 square feet, offers 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Love to show it to you, and check out this view. So this house features mostly main floor living. We've got a primary suite in one corner. We've got a guest room or an office up front in the other corner. And as you come into the great room, we've got gorgeous views to the mountains to the northeast. In the kitchen, we are featuring this double quartz waterfall 9x4 island. Really beautiful and contemporary. Nice appliance suite, this double fridge and freezer. Cabinets to the ceiling, very light and bright. So here's our primary suite. This is 16 by 15 in size. We've got an accent wall here behind the bed. A nice barn door coming into the bathroom, and check out the bath. We feature a hex pattern floor, full tile shower, floor to ceiling, and beautiful accent tile wall that surrounds the freestanding tub on the opposite side. Upstairs, we've got 2 additional guest bedrooms on opposite sides. We've got a bathroom in the middle, and then this awesome 32 by 14 bonus room. Lots of opportunities for family room, movie room, office, music space, gym, just lots of possibilities and flexibility. Thanks so much for your time and checking out the house with me. If you'd like to see this home in person, please feel free to contact me at the information below, and I'd be happy to schedule an appointment with you.